Fantastic end-unit townhome with expansive views to the city-owned park-like area to the east. Inside you'll see the travertine gas-burning fireplace in the living room, which leads to the dining area, and sliding glass door to your patio, which also faces east for beautiful sunrise views and relaxing afternoon, evening enjoyment. Going back inside, you'll notice fresh paint on the main floor and the upper-level bathroom. Kitchen offers plenty of countertop working space and storage. New oven was just installed. Don't miss all the storage under the staircase next to the door-to garage. Sellers have installed new carpet on stairs in the upper level. 3 bedrooms, main bath and laundry are conveniently located on the upper level. Enjoy convenience to so many amenities including Memorial Park, Heber Park, SandVenture Aquatic Park, Raguet Wildlife Management Area, Shakopee Archery Range, Valley Fair, Canterbury Park and St. Francis Regional Medical Center.